Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to open and run Python files in Visual Studio Code. First, you need to have some version of Python installed on your computer. Then open Visual Studio Code and click Open Folder. Click on the folder where your Python script is located. Then click the Select Folder button. Now click the Terminal tab from the menu above. Then click on New Terminal. Type Python into the terminal, leave a space, and then type the name of your Python file. Mine is main.py, so I'll type that. Finally, press Enter. As you can see, my Python file ran successfully. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to open and run a Python file in Visual Studio Code has been helpful. If you wish, you can subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.